Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Nitro with a Visa gift card. Many people wonder if this is possible, and the good news is, it absolutely is. We will walk through the entire process, from preparing your gift card to successfully completing your Nitro purchase. This guide will help you enjoy all the premium features Discord Nitro offers, using a convenient payment method you might already have. Before making any purchase, it is essential to prepare your Visa gift card properly. Most online merchants, including Discord, require a billing address for transactions. You will need to visit the gift card company's website and register your card with your personal address. This simple step helps prevent payment issues and ensures a smooth checkout experience when buying your Nitro subscription. Another common way to get the Christmas hat is through the in-game shop. During holiday events, a special seasonal section often appears. Here, you might find the hat available for purchase using either the game's standard coins or a unique event currency you've collected. Remember, these festive items are usually only available for a limited duration, typically a few weeks, so be sure to check the shop regularly. Sometimes, payments might not go through on the first attempt. If you encounter an issue, first verify all the card details you entered. Confirm that the billing address registered to your gift card matches the one Discord might be checking. Also, ensure the gift card has enough funds for the entire Nitro purchase, including any applicable taxes. If the balance is slightly short, consider combining it with another payment method if Discord allows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.